leche flan. I'm using the 1:1 ratio recipe, meaning we have 1 condensed milk, 1 evap to 1 dozen of eggs. We're just using the egg yolks. And so I'm doing 2 recipes now, so using 2 dozens of eggs, 2 evap, 2 condensed milk. And you can use lemon rind, which I don't have today, so I'm using calamansi. It's from my tree. And this is optional. You can put pandan flavor or vanilla flavor if you don't have any, just like a teaspoon. Okay, then the sugar is actually for the syrup. You're not actually putting sugar in the leche flan mix, but it's gonna be your syrup. And you need a wire whisk and a big bowl. So what I usually do is I put it directly to a heat like this. Should be just a medium. You really have to keep an eye on this one because you don't want it burned. And you have to rotate it. Make sure there's an even heat distributed to your pan. So just try to mix it at this stage because you don't want to burn one side. Alright, so your syrup, your caramel is ready. So we can use a steamer to cook the leche flan, steamer or oven. Since my leche flan, they're big sizes, as you see. I'm using big pans. They won't fit in a steamer. So I'm using an oven. And so you're gonna warm it first. Bake. I use 350 degrees. So you pre-warm it while you're mixing all your ingredients together. And so it's gonna be in a water bath. So go ahead and put this inside the oven. Now that we separated the egg yolk from the egg whites, we'll go ahead and whisk it. So it's not so eggy. We're going to put some calamansi. There we go. Then we put the condensed milk. Another condensed milk. Go ahead and wrap. So 2 evaporated milk. And then the pandan flavor. Back in the Philippines, you can just use the pandan leaves. But here, of course, we don't have a pandan plant, so here we go. Just pandan flavor. Just mix them all together. So it it will be very smooth and creamy. Okay, like this. It needs to be covered. Already pre-warm, it's ready, so we'll just put it inside right there. See, it's already smoking, so you know it's hot, it's ready. This will cook for an hour, so let's set the timer for 60 minutes. For the Biscoff layer, we gonna need, of course, the Biscoff cookies, vanilla, 2 cups of whipping cream, and a cup of condensed milk. And I use this spring warm pan, so it's easy to release the Biscoff layer. And you need to put processor for the Biscoff. So spray a little bit of canola oil. So before you put your wax paper, you want to put wax paper in the bottom, so it's easy to remove your Biscoff layer. Some canola oil also on the side, just spray a little bit on the side, so it's easy to remove your Biscoff layer. Going to beat our whipping cream, so 2 cups. Okay, it's 2 cups. And mix our condensed milk. Usually they put a whole can, but I don't want it too sweet, so I can put like 3/4 of a can. So it's medium, and we can run it fast. Approximately about 2 minutes. It's already stiff. So let's check. That's approximately about I think it's just a minute or 2 minutes. It's already stiff. See how stable it is now. So first you will put your Biscoff. And you want it thick, the bottom layer, you want it very thick, so put a lot of Biscoff. Ready for the cream layer. So you can make 3 layers of this. Is up. So we'll check. We'll check with a toothpick if it's ready. So it should come out clean. It's ready. Cake challenge. Ooh, to make sure there you go. Ooh, and then our wheel. Wow. Flip it over. We're gonna flip it over.
Flip it over. Yeah. There you go. 1, 2.
You should be a baker. All right.
1, 2, 3.
Shut up.
I made a cult. Whoa, wee.
Oh wow, Joy.
All right.
Wow.